YouTube? What's good, man? Back at it again. You know what it is. Got that Nobu barbecue. You know what it is. Yeah. Let's see what we got going on in here. There you go. Just had to do another one. Eating good. You know how we eat good out here. Eating good out here, you know? And that's what it is, man. I'll throw that onion in there, man, for that smell. Let it soak into the meat. Yeah, we cooking charcoal, man. This ain't no propane. I customized it into a charcoal grill. I don't cook propane, man. Got Gordo over there. Gordo, what you doing, boy? Gordo. Shit, your father right there. She already knows what's up. Cheers, man. You know, it's a normal day, man. Just cooking it up. That's what we doing down here, man. That's what we do down here in Texas, you know. Big rims, barbecue pits, and nice cold brews, you know. Big trucks. You know, we got them big trucks. Snap-on over there. It's a big ass truck over there, though. Let's go say what's up to Gordo real quick. Excuse me. There he is. Gordo! What you doing, boy? What you doing? So you're tearing this bit up. Send that to the junkyard. Piece by piece. Looking good, man. Got one, Joe? Shout out, Joe. Gus over there. Gus. Say what's up, man. To the camera.
My camera.
Joe and Gus. Looking good, man. I got your good side. All right, YouTube. You know what it is. Y'all have a good day, man. About to finish doing up this. Y'all have a good day. Peace.